Hello everyone, today we are going to show you our progress during this week, and Kobiljon continues.
Today, I want to show you what we added in our project. We added this screen in order to display users' input. They can delete using this D button or clear with C button when they inputted incorrect number. And they can see what they inputted from this screen. And let's run our code. Okay, this is our app. Last week we showed you. Okay. Now the door is locked. Let's unlock first. Yeah, it unlocked, and here is the notification. And
Let's put more closer.
okay. One more lock, door locked. And let's ask random number to input our keypad. Here is a random number 2713, and let's input here. It shows welcome Kobil's home. For now, when they input, it shows and the input number 2 7
1 3.
3. Yeah, here door has been unlocked, and you can see. And let's ask one more time, but in this time we input wrong number, and we use D and C buttons. Okay, first let's lock, and here 8723. Let's input randomly another numbers 4 5, and I inputted wrong numbers, and I can delete with this D button, as you see, and again type another number or clear using C button and re-input another correct number.
8723.
2 3. Here, door has been unlocked. Yeah. This is in this week's work in our team, and Sardar will show the streaming camera.
Okay, thank you.